Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Toyota Tundra with your TRD Off-Road Package. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 Crewmax pickup truck in a cement gray metallic. Under the hood you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features that come with your off-road package include your front and rear Bilstein shock absorbers. You have your TRD decals, of course. You have clearance sensors and a fuel tank protector plate. But there's lots happening on the inside, so let's hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Tundra today is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And we're just going to open this up here for you and we'll take a look at some of the features on the inside. So lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious, really great interior, nice and sleek, well designed. You do have a little bit of storage here in the driver's side door along with a couple of cup holders, and you have your power windows and your locks. Just to the left of your steering wheel here, you have your power mirrors. You have all of your interior lighting buttons there. You also have your power rear window. You have your automatic high beams, and you have your box lighting there. So lots of great stuff there. Looking a little bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And you have your power adjustable driver's seat, including your power lumbar support. So it's nice and easy to get comfortable, and it's definitely not hard in this great interior. These really comfortable plush seats. Looking a little bit further up, you have your power tilt and slide sunroof. That's going to be really nice for those summer days. You can let that sun shine in. And we're just going to hop on in here. We'll start it up for you. We'll take a look at some of your other technology features. Start this up here for you. Here we go. Nice ambient lighting on the dash there. So taking a look at the steering wheel here, you do have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons there, along with your voice command and your mode changer. Right below that is your hands-free calling. Just on the right-hand side is your central information display buttons. So this is going to allow you to navigate through all of your safety settings. You have your navigation in here as well. You also have things like your speedometer, and you can take a look at your fuel economy gauge, your trip 1, your trip 2, all of that really great information that you're going to want just at the touch of a button there. Right underneath that is your dynamic radar cruise control, and then you have your lane departure alert there. And right back here is your cruise control for all of you highway drivers. So just taking a look to the left of the steering wheel here, this is your parking alert. You also have things like your tow, haul, and your trailer brake controller. So that's where you'll find all of that. Looking at your entertainment features now, you do have everything that you're going to want in terms of music. You have your AM, FM radio, you still have your CD player, you have your Sirius XM, your Bluetooth audio, and your audio input. So everything that you're going to want in terms of that. So right in your apps is your navigation. Really easy navigation system to use. Come on in, plug in your address, plug in any address, and see just how user-friendly that is. And we're going to pop it into reverse here. You can see that you do have your rear vision camera. Really great for coming out of tight parking spaces, or even just in your own neighborhood, making that easier to back out of, making it safer. You have your air conditioning here for those hot summer months, and then for your winter months you do have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You also have 2 12-volt DC plugins here, and then here is where you would put in your USB and your audio input. Now moving a little bit further back from there, you can see tons of cup holders in the Tundra. You have 3 just in the center here. You can also change it into sport mode. Super fun to drive the Tundra that way. And then pulling this up, you can see you have a nice large center console with all of your accessories. You have all of your manuals in here as well. And then you have yet another 12-volt DC plug-in. So you're not going to be lacking plugins. You're not going to be lacking space. You also have a lockable glove box, and right in here there's 2 different levels. Again, you can keep all of your manuals, any other devices that you need to keep with you for work. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of the Tundra. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Just taking a quick look at the back of your Tacoma now. Lots going on back here as well. You do have all of your rear parking sensors on the back bumper here. You also have your trailering equipment, so you're all set to go to bring your toys along, whether it's a road trip or if you're going to work. You do have your rear vision camera, as I had mentioned before, and then you have your lockable tailgate. And I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible. You do have an easy lift and lower tailgate, so it's not going to come smashing down on you. That's going to be really nice when you're putting stuff in and out, or if you're family family's using your vehicle, it's not going to come smashing down. You don't have to damage that. So I'm going to put this right back up here for you, and we'll give you a nice look at the back of your Tundra. And don't forget that rear window does roll all the way down. It's a really great feature. Taking a final glance at your Toyota Tundra, 2018 Toyota Tundra with your TRD Off-Road Package, you have tinted windows in the back, giving your passengers a bit of privacy. There is so much happening with this Tundra that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.